So we've finally got some information about what the hell has been going on with Infloww lately. I only just started showing Infloww tutorials on my YouTube channel, and then all of a sudden it's getting hard to even use the thing. Welcome messages aren't sending and a whole bunch of other problems, but we've finally got an update. They sent out an email. Now stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'll tell you a workaround. It's a workaround that we've been using, so I'd recommend using that since Infloww is a little unstable at the moment. But anyway, so the email they just sent out is, "Hey everyone, I'd like to give you all an update on the status regarding the ability of our product. We're about 1 week away from bringing remaining features back online. The work that is being carried out at the moment is being done with the consultation of some of the leading solutions providers for anti-detect browsers." I'm not sure exactly how that's relevant, but up until now, we've deployed a number of short-term band-aids to ensure our core features remain active and made the tough decision to limit others. This was necessary as our analysis narrowed down which features were triggering the rate limits. That's how it's relevant. Rate limits, it's pretty much so OnlyFans is limiting the amount of times that Infloww can contact the website, whether it's through actions or... So Infloww needs to continuously ping OnlyFans in order to retrieve the data so that you can use it in their CRM. Now, apparently OnlyFans seems to be implementing a rate limit, which is restricting Infloww from doing this. I'm not sure whether it's just with some features or all of it, but okay, so that makes sense. Which features were triggering the rate? Yeah, right. Imposed by OF and which weren't. Heading into 2025, we have a long list of recommendations that doesn't end next week when we bring the product back online. In a way, the work has just begun. It will be a continuous effort that will carry us into the next 6 months. We believe that once the work is completed, our solution will be more resilient than anything we've ever built and outperform every other competitor in the market. Thank you all for your patience and relentless effort. We're aware how stressful the last couple of weeks for many of you have been. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're more motivated than ever to make sure that Infloww is here to stay. All right. Okay. So as soon as you logged in, you would have got something like this. And then what you can also notice is on the platform up here, you'll see partial outages, and it is pretty much saying what is out. So growth tools, that's why auto messages are not sending, because growth involves the smart messages and the scripts and all of that. So that's why that's been effective. And reports, okay, here's the status. And reports is pretty much if you have chatters, like you probably do, then it's a little difficult to pay their invoices when you can't see the report. Okay, so this is everything that is wrong exactly. So at the moment, all this services have been restored. However, the following services remain suspended. So there's the profile promotion, smart list, free trolling. So it's pretty much the growth tab as we were just looking at. Okay, these are all the updates here. But what you can do, as I was saying earlier, regarding a workaround, it's not, it's no Infloww, but it will do. So what you can do is you can download the Super Creator extension. And then what you'll have to do is open up the model's OnlyFans account inside an anti-detect web browser like Incogniton or AdsPower. You'll load up the OnlyFans account in there using the same proxy that you've been using. So if you are using a custom proxy with an Infloww, then you'll use that same proxy inside the anti-detect web browser when opening up the OnlyFans account inside there. And then you'll download the Super Creator app. And then this way, you can still kind of keep track of like sub metrics, so like how much they've spent, etc., which you need when you're pricing, when you're chatting. And regarding reports, you'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. So what I'd recommend is opening up a spreadsheet. I actually have this on my school, I think. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I have a spreadsheet. It's like a master spreadsheet. And where you can get the chatter to input each of their sales in there. It automatically calculates it. And then you'll just be invoicing them that way instead of just extracting the reports from Infloww. So you can do that. And then what we also did was inside the anti-detect web browser, so you have this Super Creator extension. And then what you also do is you will have Google Drive open. And inside this Google Drive will be all the scripts you use. So it's a little more manual, but that's what we've had to do. So what the chatters will do is they'll log into AdsPower or Incogniton. They'll log into the Entity Tech web browser profile. They'll have Google Drive already open with all the scripts that they can just select and look at while they're chatting. And then the Super Creator extension will be installed. And then that will just create an overlay over the top of the accounts, which will show the fans' metrics and everything. So like the spending habits and stuff like that. So then the chatter can just look at the scripts inside the Google Drive, and then they'll have all the info they need, like spending habits and stuff like that, as I just said. So that is the workaround that you can use, but apparently it will be restored within the coming weeks. But yeah, look, I don't know. So anyway, yeah, so we're all wondering what was going on. I was going to say, I was like, geez, Infloww, your servers are reminding me of OnlyFans. It's like the more money you make, you think you make upgrade to your service, but you don't, because there's always problems. But okay, so it's rate limits that are pretty much causing it. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. But anyway, that is an alternative. Use the Super Creator extension, set up an Entity Tech web browser profile. I've made a shitload of videos on this, so all the info you need is on here. But anyway, it is what it is. And that's it. So we've finally got an explanation as to what is going on. When Infloww is back to normal, then I'll continue making more tutorials, but it's a little hard when it doesn't fucking work, all right? So anyway, as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.